Ka kan hun ki kali kamai na ha Assam ka rai ban le lang kumba le ka kan hun ki kali kamai na Meghalaya lada ki khang ki kali na Assam man kit nang wan kai sya jela Meghalaya kasang ki kali kamai ka or khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA dangshen ka rai ban khang ki kali kamai na Assam ban kit nang wan kai ban lejbu syadu ki jaka jengok kai hakaleng ki jaka jeng jela hol kani presiden ka Tourist Transporter Association of Assam Kushik Bhuyan ulaong ba kaseng ka menjur ka rai jong ka motor pari bahan san militer sawa karmi mancha Assam ban le kembali kaseng ki kali kamai na Meghalaya Kushik Bhuyan ulaong ba kaseng kan om sya ya ki kali kamai ban kamai sya Meghalaya bat ki bar register na Meghalaya ban tap bat kit ya ki nonglek nongwan na Guwahati railway station lani nakat Lingsoin airport hakwa hati ladaka AKMTTA ka yaach khamat ban khang ya ki kali na Assam kumbala penbena nadu ka khandu tarik mentau benai kat kum karai yang kaseng na Assam wat ki kali kit ya ki mar bam mardi ki mar mata ru kin khang bat perking lar jesisya ba ka jela Meghalaya kan syak takjul khamtam lada khang ya ki kali kit mar bam mardi ula ong bakani ki jingkhang kan penthli sundon ki kam jingok kai ki Meghalaya Namar bagi kali kamai na Assam kimla ban pdiang ki karai ki kali kamai na Meghalaya ban khanglat ya ki ban kit ya ki nongwan kai syam Meghalaya unuram ka TTAA wa kan turu ya sokal Meghalaya ban om pendem hakarai ka seng ki kali kamai na Meghalaya Namar kan kata kalahi ya ka kam jingok kai ha ka jela Meghalaya ula pendem ya ki jingkim jingbut ba ki sinjam ka ba bom syong nia ka ba le de ka seng ki kali kamai na Meghalaya Namar bagi kali kamai na Assam ki yo permit ban kamai hagi jela Assam Meghalaya Arunachal Pradesh bat hagi we jela habakren mentakasngi ka pratrik nailo aja absan umutri ke tenap jo kai ke jela ba polng do ulong ba ladep Maham lupa ba ka senjam ke bela benar ka AKMTTA kan ketak kala je ke jela Meghalaya bat wat takrany ye kan ngeseng ke bela sim ye ka rai klem nong rim bat klem teu tarajul ba balong kumbasiat penban ye lade.
This is precisely what I have forewarned in the past, that every action always has a reaction to it. And we live in a world where we are mutually dependent. We cannot isolate ourselves, and whatever we do has to pass through the test of logic and the law. We have been engaging in discussions with these stakeholders, including the transporters associations, and again, we would call for an appeal to them to at least speak to their counterparts in Assam. Now, whenever you have issues which cross the boundaries of Meghalaya and are linked to a neighboring state, it is only considered befitting that you speak to your counterparts. If KSU has any issues in Assam, they speak to the ASU. So likewise, we expect these bodies to also speak to their counterparts. They are in the same business.